Yeah, man. And then I was like, it's Kenji, not Genji. Do my phone. Stop slapping me. Seriously, what's your problem? It's Kill KJ Day. That was yesterday. Pew! But dude, seriously, if one more person met, um, I'll go. Call you back. Of course. It's time, KJ. Sorry, I forgot my watch. No, we're not doing that. Noi. All right. I'm I'm not doing this anymore. No more. And so how he wants it, then so be it. Present day. Oh, so no flashy entrance? Oh well. I just hope you're ready because I'm fully prepared. 100% ready for this. Isn't it KJ Day? 20, 20, 20, drop kick. Finally, it's over. Haha, get pranked, bro. And just like that, with KJ coming unlickable, KJ ended, never to be heard of again. But KJ never forget.